Hey guys, in today's video we're going to talk about what are SEO meta tags and how we can optimize them in search from a search engine optimization point of view. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Luis Cota here, the SEO specialist, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what it's like to optimize SEO meta tags. But first, let's cover what they are. So I went ahead and typed in SEO meta tags to Google, and we could see here what they are according to Ahrefs. And basically, before jumping right into it, I'm going to tell you what a page title is, also known as a meta title. I feel like that's a bit of an outdated term that people don't really use as much. Meta description, yeah, that's more technical of a description, but I guess if you're talking to clients, then you could say that, or you could say page title or a page description, which covers the same thing. We have meta robots, which are part of the SEO tags as well. A refresh, redirect, carsat, and a viewport. So what is a meta title, also known as a page title? That's this link that you see right there. Same thing for this purple links here, or blue. Those are the page titles. These are just descriptions that you want to give to Google so that people, when they have questions related to, for example, what are SEO meta tags, we want to cover and be descriptive of what kind of content we have for the topic at hand. So given that this is a guide for meta tags and all things meta tags, we include, we can include different things like, hey, this is the meta tags for an SEO, and this is a simple guide for beginners. Really precise, right? Typically, if you don't already know about keywords, then you'd want to include keywords in the bottom, on the first left-hand side. The closer that you have the inclusion of keywords towards the left of your page title, the better, because theoretically it's going to rank higher in search, and that's that. So the text beneath it is a meta description. Pretty straightforward. You just want to incentivize clicks so that people click on your post, and you could get some ideas of what other people are doing, how they format their meta descriptions. And then meta robots, this is all really technical in nature. So typically you wouldn't see stuff like meta robots or car sets or viewports. That's really like from a web developer standpoint for them to know about. But I would say viewport is important. So I'm going to click Command Option I on the Mac that I have to basically pull up some information. So you can see here, we're going to click on the head, and we can see car set, which is some of the topics that we've covered here. This is just like a fancy page code source for what's included here on the page. And if I use this inspector tool here, I could see different elements of the website that get highlighted as I hover my mouse over them. You don't need to know much about that, but we could see here some meta information, like the meta properties. And then this is just information for like social media, like, hey, if I want to share this content, this OG locale or blog type of content, here's what I want the search engine crawlers to look at in terms of the title, description, what page it is, site name, and more information. Twitter related sharing content sort of details right there. And a lot of this is schema markup, which is why it looks kind of funny. And that's a topic for another video, but basically what you want to know about is that we're telling search engines, hey crawlers or hey robots, here's all the pertinent details, all the important details as it relates to the meta title, description, robots, like do I want you to index this information or not, and either index or no index. And you can read more information about that here. But meta robots, yeah, that's really technical. That's just like how these things are formatted. And I'm pretty sure we could find more information related to like indexing. There we go. There's the robots tag for this particular post. So you can read more about that, but the meta title the meta SEO tags, that's basically what I covered in the beginning. The most important things I would say are the robots tag, the viewport, page titles, meta descriptions, and learn how to optimize for that. If you want to see more videos related to that, then go ahead and check out my other videos, and stay tuned for the next video.